I'm Daniel Holm. I'm the chef at 11 Madison Park here in New York. I want to show you a couple of different ways to prepare onions. Onions come in a lot of different colors and shapes, and also we have a lot of different preparations for it. I want to show you how to chop a regular white onion the way a chef is taught to do it. We're going to use a paring knife to peel the onion. And now we start using an 8-inch chef's knife. Cut the onion in half. And now we take the onion like this. You hold your fingertips in and you use your finger as the guidance. And we're going to cut slowly. We're going to cut it like this. And now that's why the chef's knife is rounded like this, so we can just slice it into a nice dice. We also have red onions. I like to eat them raw. They're sweeter than the white onions. Cooking is so beautiful because there are so many ways to do things. There is not just one way. You can really be creative and do it the way you like it. As far as the knife on this preparation, is definitely the chef's knife. I like to take the middle out, the core, and then for a salad I just like to cut them in little wedges. It always also looks beautiful. It's a beautiful color and it's a nice garnish. You can also cut it this way if you prefer, in little rings. And then we have a couple special onions. We have some spring onions, and these are also nice raw, just on a salad, on a sandwich, but also as a vegetable. You want to cut the roots off, peel them a little bit here on the outside, cut the top off, and then just mince it. And then we can use them just whole like this. So here you have a couple different ways to prepare onions, and I hope you can use it in new ways and you've learned something.
In 1964, driven by a desire to deliver a truly functional folder, my grandfather, Al Buck, introduced the Model 110 Folding Hunter. This American icon revolutionized the industry and has become the most famous imitated knife design of all time. The 110 transformed our marketplace, putting buck knives in the front line of the knife industry, as well as a central tradition among families. Building and designing the 110 Folding Hunter is quite the process. From the rivets and pins to the bolsters and sanding, the knives undergo many processes until they are buffed, edged, sharpened, and ready for purchase. So let me show you the 110 Folding Hunter. It comes in two different styles, basic or finger groove. The handle material is Macassar ebony diamond wood. It's real wood that's been infused with resin. Lockback design for safety. The brass bolster is beveled for ergonomic comfort. The 420HC stainless steel clip point blade is 3 3/4 inches long and 120 thousandths of an inch thick. The knife weighs 7.2 ounces and it's made in the USA. The Buck 110 Folding Hunter is a classic, the '57 Chevy of knives. We honor our dedication to quality and function by covering each and every one of our products with our forever warranty. What does the forever warranty mean? It means that we expect each and every buck knife to be free of defects in material or workmanship for the life of the knife. Any buck knife that fails or is defective will be repaired or replaced with a new buck knife, free of charge.